a super quick and easy hairstyle for you today, featuring some of my favorite Moroccanoil products. These are a lifesaver for my hair, especially this first one here. It is their Mending Infusion. It is a split end sealer, so you add a pump of this to the ends of your hair and it will really conceal all of the dead ends. And then I've also got the Moroccanoil Luminous Hairspray, and this is just to finish off the hair so that you get rid of any flyaways and so that your hair stays in place. Now, all you're going to need for this look, besides your Moroccanoil products, are an elastic and some bobby pins. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with a pump of the Mending Infusion. You just want to concentrate that towards the ends of your hair. You don't want to bring it up too high. And it will literally transform before your eyes. Your hair is going to look like you don't actually have split ends. So this is amazing. It tamed all of the flyaways in my hair. I seriously love this stuff, and it smells amazing. And you don't have to make this super sleek. It can be pretty messy if that's the look that you're going for, which is definitely the look I'm going for. I like my hair to always look a little bit more on the casual side. Okay, so we've got our low pony, and now we're just going to start twisting our hair. And now I am just going to grab some bobby pins, bobby pin the end in place. Grab my Moroccanoil hairspray. So there you have it, you guys. A super quick and easy hairstyle using some of my favorite products. I hope you guys try this out. If you do, leave me a comment. Let me know how it went. And I will see you guys in my next video.